warning for northern Decatur County in south-central Iowa, southeastern Union County in south-central Iowa, northeastern Ringgold County in south-central Iowa, Clark County in south-central Iowa, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sun Valley Lake, or 13 miles northeast of Mount Ayr, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Osceola, Sun Valley Lake, Lakeside Casino, Grand River, Van Wert, Garden Grove, Woodburn, Weldon, Alston, Beaconsfield, and Leroy. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 18 and 37. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for south-central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa.